May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the stowage bins. Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi nyo magagampanan ang mga panuntunan ng exit row, ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew.
Pleasant morning to everyone. Welcome aboard flight 5J599 bound for Davao. Only guests for this flight should be on board.
99 bound for Davao. Our flight time is approximately 44 minutes and we'll be cruising at an altitude of 33,000 feet. Weather route forecasted to be cloudy and weather reported that Davao is also cloudy.
Mistakes and heartbreaks, all my loved ones, stars they shine. Oh, why your heart is.
As a safety precaution, mobile phones and other portable electronic devices must be set to silent mode. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Clarice, and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. We are now ready to depart for Davao. In command of the aircraft is Captain Cruz, assisted by First Officer Shokon. Our flying time is approximately 44 minutes.
Pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pin inward to release air. Light automatically illumination of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. For your safety, we require you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you are seated. This is prohibited by law.
Davao reported to be cloudy. Wind coming from northwest to the ground. Temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Traffic permitting, estimate landing time Davao.
Together, and we take pride in being part of your first. Be it the first you flew an aircraft, your first backpacking trip, or the first time you've ever booked in a piso sale. This holiday season, let's continue to make first moments happen for everyone. I'll be asking questions. All you have to do is raise your hand, give us an answer. The fastest one to raise his or her hand. Okay, for our first prize to give away, where is the first travel destination you visited on board an aircraft? I think we have a possible winner by the Foxtrot seat. How old were you when you first flew an aircraft? Okay, congratulations to all the winners and for those who participated. That concludes today's fun game. Wishing you all a happy holiday. And don't forget to use the hashtag #MakeMomentsHappen on your SEP travel.
Now on our final descent, and the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. In preparation for landing, please straighten up your seat, securely fasten your seatbelt, open the window shades, and stow your tray table.
To landing station.
Landed at Davao International Airport, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Davao. On behalf of your flight, the crew, Captain, Cruz, and First Officer Shokon, together with the rest of the crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific Air an airline choice.
Fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain seated.